Guys.
Bye, baby. Bye, baby. Bye, baby.
We haven't had sex in a while. You can tell, can't you?
Dum, dum, dum. Dum, dum, dum. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marge here. Today I'm gonna take you to a vintage market in Auckland. So I'm just in the car. I'm actually on my way, and yeah, I hope you'll enjoy it. So come along with me. Ciao. Look who's here.
Hello.
Oh. Hi, Shu. Hey guys, I'm doing the housekeeping for the Airbnb. It's not mine, so this is what I have to do. See? Yeah. Do you hear me?
Je ne veux pas travailler, je ne veux pas déjeuner.
No, because it suits your dress.
Say hello to the camera. Where are we?
Hey guys, guess where we are? We're now at the vintage market in Auckland. So this is what you can see here. It's just all kinds of food. See, there's gonna be lots of food, vintage stuff, loads, and antique pieces. I like this. This is my style. It's quite vintage. What do you think?
Yeah. Try it on. That looks nice.
How do it look, guys?
Look at it inside.
Does that look vintage enough? I don't know. I think it's too small for my face. I just feel it's too tight right here. This is your style.
I know.
Hi. This is my camera girl for today.
For today.
So we just went to the vintage market. We're still here, but this market is just right there, and look around here.
You're around.
The camera is gonna be shaky because there's no image stabilization. Okay, so now I'm gonna take you guys Heritage Landing. So there's gonna be all kinds of small boats. Then yeah, come along with me. Come to my boat.
Sur la plage abandonnée. Sur la plage abandonnée. Coquillage écrit. I like this. Yeah, so do I. Hello.
I'll take a photograph of you on the boat here and you tell people it's your boat.
You sure?
Is that okay?
Yep, come aboard if you want.
Oh.
Where are people from?
From the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah. Hi, fine.
Oh!
Wait.
Oh!
Okay.
I'll show you how.
Alright.
You stand on here.
You're so flexible, eh?
I can cut this open for you, Bruce.
Oh, right, where's the next side?
It's a lot easier.
So,
Don't take
you're
a
actually
note.
a lot
Don't-
flexible than me.
Don't take-
I've been having sore back.
Which one on there?
Yeah.
Over.
Oh, okay.
Over.
Alright.
Am I back?
Over.
Oh,
Oh, you've done that before.
I haven't done
you
it,
have,
seriously.
you've
This
done
is the first
You've been doing that in
time.
the Philippines for years.
But that was probably when I was
Am I
younger.
back? Yeah.
Oh, yes, you must be all of 20 now.
Would you believe I'm actually turning 32? So,
No way.
oh, thank you. She's good. Oh, thanks for inviting us over. You're in,
Careful with your shoes because it's very narrow.
okay.
If you go up there,
On a,
Well,
I don't know
there's
if
many-
it's daily
many-
basis, like weekly, if
there's
you...
many islands, many places to go. There's the wedges. Just move the wedges on the bottom. That's right. Just make.
Oh yeah, just move it.
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool. I like it.
Crustacé qui l'eût cru déplore la perte de l'été qui depuis s'en est allé. On a rangé les vacances dans des valises en carton.
Video va.
So I'm just contemplating whether to get iced chocolate, thick shake, smoothies, or a latte. Hey guys, so finally got our ice mocha. I was gonna say smoothies, but it's not. It's ice mocha. We got so thirsty after walking around at the vintage market, and then we got invited to boat owners. They parked their boats in there, as you saw. Cheers, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. I really want to get myself a new vlogging camera because I can't vlog with this camera all the time. It's just way too heavy. Although I really like this camera, but it's just impossible to vlog. I'm using my heavy lens, which is the Sigma 18 to 35. So I have to say that we found one of the best gelatos at the Wynyard Quarter. It's called Gelatiamo. They sell gelatos and all kinds of desserts. Yummy. And if you're here at the Wynyard Quarter, you can come and check it out here. This is not sponsored, by the way, so I'm just saying that it's really nice.